Oh, good morning, good morning, everyone. Finally getting back to work on the chassis, so going to start taking off all the steering and the front end of the chassis. So yeah, finally got back to it. Seen a bit. I know there's been a few gaps in these VOLGs. We've just been to Hong Kong for a week for something else. Didn't see any Goggomobiles, but did see Gogo vans, which is like a little hire company. So almost, but not quite. Anyway, so the next adventure with the Devil Dart is taking the front end out of it. So let's go and tackle that. Cheers. So having got the steering arms off, next thing was to get the steering box out and connected by 4 bolts. Quite tricky to get to, so in this section I'm just trying to get those bolts out, but not easy. Well, sometimes you just got to get brutal. So we can see these are the holes where the bolts go through that hold the steering ratchet on. So this one, I mean, devil's own job getting to the back of it to hold the nut. So time to get vicious. I'm going to use the burr and grind it off, because I'll probably end up replacing these bolts anyway. So that's what we're going to do.